me. So I was just wandering through Home Depot here this morning. I actually came in for this AC filter here, but I happened to spot this thing here from Rigid, and I'm looking there, and they got this so they've got this dual bevel sliding miter saw here for sale, and look at that price, man. $3.99, and it was normally $539, so this looks like a pretty good steal here. So what's interesting about this one is this is a 12-inch one, but look at this, it does a 0 to 70 degree miter. So that's a pretty wide range. I know my DeWalt only goes up to about 50 degrees if I remember correctly. Let's take a look at the specs here. So there's your motor speed there. This thing weighs 64 pounds. And for those of you guys doing the carpentry, there's your specs that you really want to look at there. The baseboard against the fence, the crown molding nested. There, and check this out here. They got free parts and service for life on this one here. So you can see here they're showing this industry-leading 70 miter capacity here. So if you look here, they're showing you on the table there how far out it swings. And you got the dual bevel design here. So it can go 0 to 48 degrees, both left and right, which is great for you guys that do like baseboards. Man, I gotta upgrade my table saw because I have to keep flipping the boards over because mine only bevels one direction. And here you got a nice LED cut line and a work light built onto it. Alright, so here's some more of the features of it here. So there's your adjustable miter and bevel detents. It's got a 15 amp motor. This has a built-in dust collection port. It's got your crown stop mounting holes. A blade brake. And when you look at this here, this number 5 blade brake, this is such an important feature because I had an injury on my finger a couple of years ago using a Lowe's Cobalt table saw, and the blade kept spinning for like 15 seconds after it stopped, and I didn't realize it. And I ended up getting a couple of stitches on this finger here because of that. So this is very important to have. So what's nice here is you can see you got your bevel positive stops at these different degrees, and you have a positive miter stops as well at these common degrees. So here you are, there's 3 of these in my Home Depot. There might be some near yours. You might want to give that a look if you're in the market for a new higher end table saw. This thing is huge. So here's your model number on it. It's the R4221.
Well, I'll let you know if we see any other decent ones each time I go in. I go in quite a few times during the week. So if you found this video useful, we would appreciate it if you give us a thumbs up down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon next to it. That way you'll be alerted every time we upload a new video. So that's it for this one, and we'll see you on the next one.